Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings and looking for privacy section. When you find it, click on it. Then you need to click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you are interested in, for example, location. Now select an app that you want to control, like calendar, and tap on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I go back, as you can see, calendar just gained access to this device's location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage permissions for my device's camera. So I have to click on it and click on See all camera permissions instead. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!